Hello, my name is Yakubu. Today I'll be showing you how to install WordPress through using your cPanel. Let's get started. So first you go to your, let's view the website URL we are installing the website. Everything WordPress.com. So now you can see this is an empty website. So you log into your cPanel. That's your domain name / cPanel. It takes you to the login page of the cPanel. On the login cPanels, you will enter your login details, username and password. I have mine already saved on the system. Yeah, this is our cPanel. So you scroll down, depending on the type of the hosting company. Some you have it as software colors section. Some you have it direct through the quick install icon. So I click that, and it takes me to the page, the quick install page, where I'll find the WordPress. Yeah, so you scroll down, you see WordPress, you click on the WordPress. On the page, you click on Install WordPress. Here you select the website, the domain name, you enter your email, which is the admin email here. And you enter your website title also, your website title here also, and also your admin username. And your name, your last name. So let me re-enter mine. So click on install. So you wait for some couple of seconds. Yeah, done. So that's your login details. So mine, I'll copy it and put on a notepad. I like to do this much very well. So you click on the admin login. So we've installed our WordPress and we've clicked on the admin login index, and this is where it takes us. So you can see that's my login details, that's my password, and you enter it there, and the password. So it takes me to the backend, that's the dashboard area, where everything that's you do on your website, that's where you move around. So at this stage our WordPress is installed. So in some cases you see some of plugins you need to update. So here is where we opened earlier. So when I refresh, you see that the WordPress is already installed. Yeah, that's our WordPress. So thank you for watching. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to install your WordPress theme, and from there we'll also show you how to be able to customize your WordPress theme and adjust it to what you want. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that when next we have a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you very much.